Hi everyone, my name is Hannah and welcome to my Psytok video for psychology. And this is on chapter 7. So today I'll be explaining chapter 7, section 2.7, 7.2.7, which focuses on the parallel processing model of memory. And in this video, I'm going to just be explaining what the parallel process is, why it matters in our world, and how we use it to think, remember, and how we use it in like our daily lives without even realizing it. So a little knowledge of what it is. It basically is the idea that our brain can handle multiple streams of information at the same time, instead of like working on one specific thing at a time. And it is different from serial processing, if you guys know what that is, where the tasks happen like step by step, one at a time. So yeah, parallel processing is, simple definition, just the brain's ability to process different pieces of information simultaneously. And to help us like explain and understand it more, an example would be if you look at your dog, your brain isn't just doing one thing. It's analyzing like the color of your dog, the shape, the like movement your dog might be making, and the texture all at one time. But you're not thinking about like each thing like that. You're not thinking about it separately, like, oh, what is my dog doing? What color is it? Your brain is just kind of taking in all of that information at once, which is what parallel processing is. And then how it works in our memory. The parallel processing model explains basically how humans can understand and store information quickly, because different parts of our brain handle different tasks at the same time. And some examples of that would be, one part of the brain focuses on visual information, so what we're seeing, we're looking at, what we're taking in visually. Another one focuses on the sound, what we're hearing, what sounds we hear. Another part handles like meanings of things, so when you're looking at stuff, like what meaning does it have, is it giving off? And then another part helps to connect like what we're seeing and like what we're experiencing to a memory, or to help keep it in our memory. And it makes our memory process kind of faster and more efficient, because we aren't kind of like waiting in line for like one thing to like process before we're focusing on another piece of information. It's all just kind of like coming in at once. And parallel processing, it really helps us just learn faster. Also can help us react to like situations quickly, even potentially dangerous ones, just because our brain is taking in everything that we need to do at once, instead of thinking, oh, first I need to do this, then I need to do that. So that is another thing that it can help with. Also, if you're doing multiple things at once, like multitasking, maybe like assignment, chores, stuff at work, this is going to help you kind of just take in everything you need to do at once and know what you need to do, basically. And a real life example that I would connect to parallel processing would be, most easiest way to explain it is if you're driving a car. You're kind of looking at like a bunch of stuff at once that kind of just all like happens. So it's like you're watching the speed, you're making sure you're keeping your hands on the steering wheel, making sure that you're adjusting your speed if it's getting slower, faster, reading signs, checking your mirrors, kind of taking in the speed, or like what's happening, if you need to brake, if you need to get over, if you need to turn, just all those things you're doing at once. You're not just doing like, oh, I need to do this, then this, then this. You're just kind of doing it all at the same time. And yeah, so what I learned from this is that our memory system isn't slow or like linear, it's fast, complex, and it's very efficient. This process really works to show us that the brain is constantly like multitasking different events or tasks or descriptions at once. That helps us to really understand like a bigger picture or a topic or anything like that, which then helps us to either react or learn much quicker than we would initially realize or think. And to just quickly sum it up, the parallel processing model of memory just explains how our brain can handle and comprehend different types of information all at the same time. And having this ability just in general helps us to understand the world better and to respond and take in efficiently whatever is happening or going on around us. And yeah, that is the parallel processing model of memory, and thank you for watching my Psytok.